Video 1. What is international protection? Protection means to be hosted in a state and to live in a safe place. You can ask for international protection if you have to leave your country because your life is in danger. If you claim asylum in Italy, you are called richiedente asilo, which means an asylum seeker. Italy has signed the Geneva Convention, an international law that defines a refugee as somebody who is forced to leave their country because of fear of persecution. According to the Geneva Convention, a refugee has the right to international protection in another state different to the one where they are persecuted. Persecution is an action that does not respect a person's human rights. Persecution can be, for example, physical violence, psychological violence, sexual violence, or a criminal trial for those who do not want to do military service if this service means killing people. Persecution can be for political reasons, religious reasons, racial reasons, nationalist reasons, or for reasons based on your belonging to a specific social group. To be persecuted for one of these reasons means that you have the right to asylum status. For more information on the motives for persecution, listen to audio recording 1, Geneva Convention. Even if you are not persecuted in your country, you can also ask for protection if you run away from your country because you are at risk of the death penalty, you are at risk of torture, your life is at risk because of a conflict in your country. In Italy, these risks are considered serious harm. To be at risk of serious harm means that you have the right to be given subsidiary protection, protezione sussidiaria. When you arrive in Italy, you may arrive without documents. This may be because you do not have identity documents in your country, because you forgot your documents when you ran away from your country, because you did not have the time to ask the Italian embassy for a visa in order to enter Italy, or because you lost your documents during the journey. If you arrive in Italy without documents, you are considered irregular. If you have documents, but you enter the country without a visa, you are considered irregular. For this reason, it is important you go straight to the police and claim asylum.